Hello everyone, I'm Camden and I'm making a wizard101 video. My username is Nedmak123, Nedmak1234. I'm eating a popsicle, so that's the noise that you might be hearing in the background. I'm a level 5. I'm trying to get to level 7 so I can go fishing. And do this within 15 minutes, or try, so that you guys can watch the whole video. And because the video is limits 15 minutes. I'm going to try to do around 12 minutes. I'm not good at keeping track of time. I'm in the middle of a fight. That's this right now. A duel, I mean. If you guys have wizard101, please friend me. Believe it or not, that new register is my most powerful one at the moment. Okay. I need to get some stuff to get my health full again. My mana. My MA, NA. But do not want to be caught in this fight. But as long as I go first, it won't be too bad. So if I'd still losing my mana, then I had mana. No, it's following. It's MA, NA, whatever. I don't know. Forgot. But it's like your energy for your spells. And I'm trying to find a blue one of these things right here. Blue one of right here. Okay, that's a skeleton. Do I want to kind of do? Yep, I'm kind of do. It only takes 1 or 2 of these things to kill him. Go away, skeleton. Sorry for that noise. Okay. I'm trying to find this quick. Here, there's one over there. And I give you 2 things at a time. So, see, that gives you 2. I need 4, 7 more, 6, 5 more. Whoops. That's so off. I'm trying to find another one, which I can just go to a different place that has like that swarming with mono things. I don't know what to call them. Here, let me open this. So they want me to go somewhere, but I can't because the gate is closed. And you can't let me in without a pass. Oh, okay. Try. But either way, I'm gonna lose on like every thing I put on it. Why are they in a line? No. See now, I just need to. I'm not even close to these ghosts, and then like, because there's a weird amount of ghosts here. Okay, there's more than there were earlier. I need to get a different part. Okay, I'm gonna try to find that. And oh, here's another question. Do you guys know how to get a pet? Like, do you have to do certain level, like, I don't know. So please comment. Okay, so I'm gonna try to get those mana things, whatever they're called. I'm just gonna keep saying them like this. Please swearing of them, which I should just go, but I did not know how to get there. I'm gonna try. Here's the tunnel to the comments, and I'm just gonna go through there, go through another tunnel. Absolutely. Here. This is most likely the right one. I'm not positive though. I don't think it is. It doesn't seem right. It should be. I'm just like hiding. So now I want to be fish in here like what that guy just did. See, this is what I was talking about. There's a lot in here. Just depends on the place in here. For sure it's certain. Okay, well. Okay, so I'm not gonna fish in this level because I was just going to show you the basics of wizard101. Just this, you walk around, complete some challenges when you talk to people. They'll be like, okay, do this, you go do that. And then you get to just run around and accomplish some stuff. Okay, see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Please try to friend me. I'm Ned Mac 1 2 3 4. Okay. So bye.